Okay, so this is Rich Noto. We are going across the street into Ardmore Reserve. Now this community does have some very large home sites. I just want to show you a little bit of the scenery over here. Jeez, thank God that car passed. Riding me. Okay, so let's get back to the video. So over here you got your pool. You can see there's a little water mushroom going. Hopefully you can see it. And here's a little playground for the kids. And I'm just going to hop out briefly and show you this a little bit better. This over here is actually a really nice section for the kids. You got swings and a whole bunch of stuff going on over here, so definitely something to check out. Okay, let's continue. And if you are interested in a home over here, please do reach out and contact me first. I do offer home buyers incentives, so you will always end up paying less for the home than if you just went to the home builder alone. And I do get paid from the home builder or the resale home seller, so my services to you as a home buyer are essentially free. And I also work for you with your best interests in mind. The sales teams and the home builder's office always work for the home builder to get the home builder the best price or deal. That's a nice looking home on the left. And please do check out my website at wintergardennew.com. You could always find the homes for each community that are for sale at the bottom of every page. But sometimes the home builders don't put the new homes, or not every new home, onto the MLS, so it might not appear there. Another great another great reason to contact me first. And then that way I can also get the latest information and pricing for you. Real estate does change every single day, and there's no telling when a home's price is going to go up or down. And please like, favorite, share, subscribe, and if you know someone else that might also enjoy this video, please don't hesitate to send it over to them. And thank you. Have a fantastic day.